Hubei YJT Technology Limited Company was founded in 2005 and headquartered in Upstate Valley, Wuhan. It is a national high-tech enterprise, integrating research and development, manufacturing, and marketing together. YJT mainly engage in medical devices for home use physiotherapy. To realize the leadership in this field, YJT is committed to benefiting the health of hundreds of millions of families with unremitting efforts. Over the past 18 years, YJT based in China and served the world. YJT products have been exported to 140 countries with a total quantity more than 6 million units. YJT products are approved by SGS, ISO 9001, ISO 13485, CE, RoHS certification, FDA registration, and protected by hundreds of national authorized patents. From the birth of the first semiconductor laser treatment instrument, YJT launched totally hundreds of high-tech physiotherapy products. For example, wrist semiconductor laser treatment instrument, handheld semiconductor laser treatment instrument, LED treatment instrument, millimeter wave treatment instrument, potential treatment instrument, nail fungus laser device, insomnia treatment instruments, etc. YJT established product line with light therapy series, physical therapy series, and animal care series. YJT has an international standard production base with automatic production line and non-dust workshop that fully complies with GMP standards. The core foundation of YJT is product quality that we implement management to every detail and ensure each product shipped out with zero defects. Based on high-quality products, YJT has won numerous positive comments from consumers and partners. Take care of life by technology is the corporate mission of YJT. We are committed to building YJT as the most professional health industry group. With YJT together, help your health, light your life.